do you think of that? Almost like we knew what was going down here. All right, good morning. We're back on the Nugget again today. Today's goals: we're gonna get power steering welded in. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull the body back off the frame and finish the frame. All the little stuff that we haven't finished, we're gonna finish it. So the body can go back on for good until it gets painted. We'll get after that, get going. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put these brackets together and see if we can't make all of our dreams come true with this power steering setup. If I can eyeball that belt tight-ish looking. Now we just gotta do a little fine tuning to it. We'll bolt that all down tight and see what it looks like, and then we'll brace it up. Got some little brackets here that are gonna hold that, keep it where it needs to be. Good to go, we'll tack them in here. She is built, as you can see, perfectly aligned belt. We have clearance between their clearance. Power steering woes, they're behind us. Now it's just a matter of building a little hose from there to there and up to the reservoir, finished. So I went to the mill and got some stuff, and Michelle staggered into the shop finally after
you guys all said you missed me, so here I am.
Her Christmas slumber. She's back.
Yeah, slumber. Yeah, moms during Christmas time is total slumbering.
So we got this pretty sweet sign from Bob.
From Bob.
Bob made us a sign, and he made us a sweet sign. So I'll flip that out of the way. It says, "We do it nice because we do it twice."
And it looks like it's hand painted.
He hand painted this and pinstriped it.
That's amazing.
That is it's going on the wall. Thank you.
He said he left a spot for us to put a sticker right here.
Yeah.
So.
Pretty cool. Thank you, man. And we also got a plastic welding kit, and this is from
Vic Gustafson. I probably
Gustafson.
just murdered.
I'm going Gustafson on that.
Gustafson.
So we will use that in the future on some projects. And we got some Sharpies.
What?
Because you can never have too many
No.
Sharpies. From Colton. Colton sent us some more Sharpies that I can lose randomly throughout the shop. So thank you.
We just want to take a second to thank everybody for, we were completely and utterly overwhelmed by the love and support that you guys gave us after Grandpa Sherman passed away. All the stuff that you guys sent and all the notes and all the comments and all the emails was just amazing, and it means a lot to us. But just know that every single one of you guys, we're so grateful for, and we want to thank you guys.
For sure. We went from getting 2 Christmas cards.
We got more than 2.
Okay, 4.
So let's talk about Christmas cards.
Yeah, Christmas cards.
Too.
We went from 4 to 300. So it was pretty awesome.
Not to mention just all the stuff that you guys sent us. The fact that you take time out of your day and money out of your paycheck to send us stuff is
pretty
super
awesome.
humbling.
We got the most awesome fans
We
ever.
really do.
It doesn't go unnoticed. It means a ton to us. And it helps us, really. It helps us do what we're doing here in the shop. Keeps us motivated. And
we try really hard to acknowledge everybody. Sometimes we put it in a video. Sometimes we put it on Instagram. If any of them got overlooked, just know that this video is for you. And nothing that you send or nothing that comes here gets overlooked. And we are so grateful for it.
I open every single one of them personally.
Yes.
And sample all the food my own self before I let Michelle have any of it. So
Sometimes,
thank you.
I don't even know it's down here.
Well, if it's good enough, she's not getting it. We just keep it all to ourselves. Thank you very much.
You guys are amazing, and we love all of you. So there's been a lot of people that are like, who is this Randall feller? Who is this Randall feller?
I'll tell you who this Randall feller is. Randall's my first cousin. I've known him since he was this tall. First time I really knew him, I took him fishing on my golf cart that I built. I was probably 11.
Oh.
I'd have been 8 maybe.
Yeah.
Or less.
Yeah,
Less.
so we've literally hung out our entire lives, building derby cars, hunting, fishing, our whole lives. It's not like Randall's new. He's new to the channel, but he's not new to my life. He's a pretty good dude if you can look through all the rough edges.
Yeah.
But
I'm not that rough around the edges.
No,
I'm
he's a
pretty
good
easy to
guy.
deal with.
He's new to you guys, but not new to us.
We've been getting half and halfsies on the comments. You either like him or you don't like him.
Or you hate me.
His voice is so annoying that you can't stand it. His laughs.
Hold on. My favorite comment of the entire
I knew
thing
it was coming to this.
was, I can't remember the exact wording, but they basically said that his laugh was more annoying than mine.
You're welcome, Michelle.
But we'd like to welcome Randall to the channel.
Hopefully my laugh don't drive you guys too crazy, or
Hey, if it does, who cares?
my slow draw. I'm born and raised in southern Utah, so you're getting what I've got. I don't know what else to say.
All right, so that's my power steering bracket that I dreamed up. It's built. We're continuing with the theme where there's not much room of anywhere. Everything's close, but it's on and it fits. All right, so Matt stopped by the other day and brought us the shocks.
Well, look who showed up. Look what the cat drug in, guys.
Yeah, it was actually the dog, but
So they came to check on the Golden Nugget progress
and bring some parts.
and bring some parts. And I told Matt that he needs to go sit. You need to go sit in there to see if you fit really good. I bet you do.
I bet you didn't even notice that I stuck into your house and stole Paul's coat.
Oh, you didn't even
Move.
bring a coat with you?
Move over. No, I've been in the truck
See,
all
put
day.
it in the passenger seat.
I am. This is perfect.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, so that's going to be, not much bigger than it used to be, right? With you and Paul in there the first time.
Heck yeah, I can't wait to drive it.
Are you going to let Trevor have a turn when it's done?
Absolutely. Oh, this is perfect, man. Ed will just fall right into this. Ed's more spry than I am.
All right, now we just have to wait for Paul to get back. He's at a town council meeting because he's a grown adult.
He's kind of bummed that he's not here.
He's coming. So Paul just got back from his adult things.
Yeah, adulting.
Tell him what
I'm
just
the
happened.
new town council member in Glendale by default. The only time I'm lucky is when I'm unlucky, really.
It'll be good.
No,
It'll
it'll
be
be
Anytime
good.
you wins when you're unlucky.
Yeah, pretty much. Me and my cousin were the two that had our names in the hat, and we tied, so they had to put them back in, and my name got drew out. So I got a 2-year term.
I got you some stuff here. So like I said, there's a couple companies that reached out. They wanted to be part of this project. USA Standard Gear sent us a Spartan locker for the front axle. Yukon Gear. This is the rebuild kit for the front axle, bearings, seals, and seals and stuff for the back axle. Bill Stein. They sent the shocks. Yep. And then Barnes really wanted to be a part 2. But unfortunately, this came a couple days ago, and Paul was looking at it. There's just not enough meat to use.
There's not enough meat to go 1 ton on this thing.
So we're gonna take this back, and we're gonna use this on another project, maybe a Suzuki Sidekick with 1 tons.
Oh yeah, perfect candidate.
Well, good.
So heck yeah, this should keep you busy for a while. Oh, look at that.
There's a lot of stuff in the way.
Matt,
needs
you
to-
can't say that
I can't say what.
without doing what you're supposed to do. You just said I need to look at that.
Oh, do you need me to
Yes.
look at it?
You just got me running all over the car.
Yeah. It's pretty tight, but it's gonna fit.
This is gonna have to be massaged.
It's gonna
probably,
have to.
huh?
It's gonna have to come out just a little bit.
You guys' terminology is so funny.
Massage?
We just gotta massage this a little.
What do you do when you massage
Just
something?
massage it in.
Matt, what do you think of the back end of this thing? To
Does
it
Matt and
fit?
Trevor approve of this?
I do.
Do you approve of Yoda,
Yep.
or would you have rather had it say toy?
I wanted to say Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda.
You need a bobblehead Yoda to
That's
put
right.
on the dash.
Are you putting the fuel door up here? or
No, I'm
inside?
gonna put it right here. So that's gonna come down. Fuel door will go in right
Okay.
there. As soon as this thing runs, we're going trail riding. So I'm trying to get it at least 90% finished before I start it. The goal is to have it running and ready to go for winter 4x4 jamboree. So,
Oh yeah.
Stolen Mountain Dew.
We all said it at the same time.
If you buy this stuff, it's pretty good. You steal it, and it's amazing.
It's a true story.
All right, well, I gotta get Trevor
Safe
home.
journeys. That everything's looking good and he's happy with it, so we're gonna continue on working on it. All right, we got ourselves a kind of a dilemma. I think I made my mind up which way I want to roll. Ed, you think Cherry Bomb or Flowmaster? We'll give you the pros and cons to both. Actually, there's not many pros and cons. This is smaller, quieter, and fits where it needs to. This is bigger, louder, doesn't fit where it needs to go, so Cherry Bomb it is. Let's put some exhaust on this thing. All right, so we're building this for Ed. He's an old man. He doesn't need noise. So we're gonna put this Hush Quiet Cherry Bomb on there. It's gonna be perfect. We're gonna run 2-inch clear out the back, so it's gonna be quiet. It's gonna do a good job. We got tons of comments last time about the seats. So the seats are original. That's original equipment. Steering wheel is actually 1 inch higher off the seat than it was originally. So we're not changing that. That's gonna be how it is. He's used to it. That's what he drove. There's no room in this thing. It's tiny. In every aspect and dimension, it's little. We're building this for Ed, so we're doing it the way Ed would want it done. Okay, so exhaust is pretty straightforward on this. We're gonna come right under here, turn up, muffler's gonna hang right here somewhere, then we're gonna out the back with the exhaust. So it looks like I need to put just a slight kink up just right off the bat, so we'll do that. Yep. That's pretty good. We'll cut her off right here. And that should go into the pipe. All right, we're gonna take a break and do another segment of Taste and Tools.
Welcome to another episode of Taste and Tools. Spike A sent us a whole care package from Hawaii. I'll send you some Hawaiian. Oh, this is always the word I can't say. I know it's a song. Can you say the Melakaniki Naka? Melakaliki Maka is the thing to say. I don't know how to speak Hawaiian, but I've tried to sing that song my entire life and I just still don't know how.
So Randall and I, we may have jumped the gun.
Yeah.
We've ate most of these already. They're good.
What is it? A macadamian? They look like little rocks. Dry roasted macadamians. That's good. Hey, these are good for like kids. You could fool them because they don't look good. Let me show you. Like little rocks. See?
I like that bowl. That's a nice boulder.
But these don't look good, but they are.
A macadamia popcorn. Those two.
Is that like where they grow? Is in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Is there any other places in the world that have macadamia? Or
I
is
live
that-
in Glendale. It's hard to tell.
These ones have garlic on them.
Get you one.
Go for it.
Get you one, Paul. We gotta do one at a time. You're jumping the gun. That's
Yeah.
weird.
It's got a little bit of a weird start to it, but it's
Like it's good. It's
Wash
just,
it down with some popcorn.
Let's try some popcorn.
I've tried it and it's delicious.
That's delicious.
No, I told you to stay away from that popcorn.
this is legit coming to my house.
Dude,
My people of Hawaii, anytime you want to send us this right here, go for it.
by the way, I just drank some ginger ale that has like dust on it from 1927, I think. Still drinking it though.
Michelle
It's all
is
same.
the chocolate connoisseur, so she'll be able to tell.
So's Randall.
Yeah, I'm not a real
Oh.
chocolate guy. I like
So
gummy
once
stuff.
again, this is creamy milk chocolate covered macadamia. Is it a tree or a plant that makes macadamia nuts?
I think it's a tree.
Well, you guys must have
I
a
live in Hawaii.
you guys must have a lot of macadamia trees or bushes or whatever they come on.
Good chocolate.
It's pretty good.
7 out of 10.
Good.
Popcorn's 10 out of 10.
That looks the same.
Not even close.
Not even in the ballpark, was it? Oh.
So thank you again to Spike A for sending us this care package from Hawaii. It was delicious. Thank you.
Okay, we just gotta put a real sharp one right there at the end. Then it'll have to come back. So if we bend it, let's see, get my mind around this properly. Bottom side of that. I gotta go barely more on that one. Right there. What do you think of that? Almost like we knew what was going down here.
Looks like it's gonna work, don't it?
I think. I love it. We'll tack all this together, pull it out of there, and weld it up. So I'm not going to muffler hanger this right now because this all has to come out of here to get painted. So my hangers are going to be a permanent kind of a thing. They're not bolt on. So we're going to tack this all together, pull it out, weld it up, and set it to the side until we're ready to make this thing fire. I'll start with these ones. Get those good and tight, and then we can weld that. We'll just work our way through it. Pretty happy with that. Exhaust is in it. Like I said before, we're not going to finish it totally because it's coming out. It's got to get painted. So, but it's all built. Now it's all mocked up. All we got to do is pull it out, finish weld everything, and then wait for paint. So, another project down.